Hello everyone. So I found this weird, strange trick with this toy music. If you put it in the middle and while you're playing another drum, it actually plays a really interesting sound. And I think it is really interesting, and I think other people should know it too. Alright everyone, I will play this interesting sound I found. Alright. So, like I said, you put this in the middle, and you just play it. Oh shit. It's hurting my legs sitting from this thing. I don't know why. Damn it. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna play it. And I'm gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna use two of the drums, but for one of these things, I'm gonna put it here so it could play that interesting sound. See, I'm gonna show you what happens. See, as you can see, it plays that really interesting buzzing electronic noise sound. But I don't know if the camera noise cuts that. So the bad thing about this is that you may or may not hear that electronic ass sound in this video, but I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. Alright, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna play a random song, and then then that interesting sound will be playing. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. guys, I don't know if you heard that interesting, weird, glitchy, and electronic sound, but I hope y'all heard it in the camera recording. I hope the camera recording caught that moment, but I hope it did, because it is really special, because, like, toy drums never experienced this kind of interesting sound while playing it before, like this electronic sound while hitting the big drum, you know what I mean? So yeah, goodbye guys.